Hi everybody, this is Matt, and today I'd like to share with you a tip that a friend of mine shared with me, and I thought it was really cool. And what this tip is how to use Adobe Acrobat Reader DC and to add text to your PDF, whether it's an image or a document. Most of the time, I use Adobe Acrobat Pro, and I have another program that is a PDF writer, which allows me to write directly on a PDF if they don't have fields or if it's in a blank area. But I didn't know that you can do it with Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, which is the free version. I just thought that I could just highlight things and add comments. So let me show you how to do what he showed me. I'm going to open up an image, and the prime example for us who do a lot of depositions because we're videographers and we share exhibits is sometimes attorney would say to us, hey Matt, can you share exhibit or this image or this document? And then he'll say, can you either take this, and mark it as exhibit 1, exhibit A, or exhibit 2. So normally I would not know what to do, but in this example, this is the, if I look over here, the fill and sign button, or the icon here, fill and sign. And that will allow us to write directly on a PDF that doesn't have a field. So I'm going to click on it here, and this pops open, add a signature or initials, but that's not how we're going to use it. So I'm just going to skip that, and I'm going to basically, I'm going to click here, and I'm gonna put some text. So I'm gonna put exhibit already here. I already have it already typed out. Exhibit 2. And the cool part is if I click on, I can enlarge it or make it smaller, the text, by clicking the A and B. I can delete it. I can add it back in. I'll do it again, exhibit 2, make that capitalized. I can have it spaced, or I can add these marks which are on top here, but I'm just going to keep it as text. So you just got to know that once you add this in here and you save, it can't be changed. It's actually embedded into your PDF, and then you would have to re-upload this, this labeled exhibit into the Zoom chat so they can download it and have that actually labeled as exhibit 2. Another thing that's great about using this sign and fill, let's say you do click on it here and you do have a field, it'll, or a highlight, it'll automatically add a line or a field to that section. So I can put in over here job number, and this, like 1 2 3. I can put in today's date. Today is um, May 5th, 2022. Oh, today's Cinco de Mayo. Happy holidays, everybody who celebrates Cinco de Mayo. Um, and then you can fill in the blanks with all this information. Just know that before you hit that save button, then you can actually delete stuff. But the moment you hit save, this will be embedded into the PDF and it's no longer changeable. So this is great for turning in paperwork for your jobs at the end of the day. And also, if you actually need to sign a document, that's what it's for. You can sign an initial. So hopefully this tip helps you, and you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.